Hi, I'm Hyeon.
Ever since joining Sunshine Action in 2022 as a Year 10 volunteer, I've strived to make a positive change within the community. Coming from having no experience in volunteering for charities, adapting to a role where I contribute to providing necessities to those in need has been a transformative and rewarding experience. Despite this, due to my conscientiousness and dedication towards this organization, I was promoted to the role of a Sunshine Ambassador. After being promoted to this role, I regularly attended meetings in which future plans for Sunshine Action were discussed. From these meetings, I recognized that there were many opportunities of which I could organize events to benefit the homeless community. To start with, every week I lead the Street Sleeper program where I give briefings to volunteers so that food and sanitary products can be distributed efficiently to the homeless. During these events, I've worked with an extensive range of people from all over Hong Kong, including primary and secondary school students, along with adults working in companies partnered with Sunshine Action. Additionally, I participate in weekly food packaging events where volunteers gather to pack fortune bags containing food and other necessary items, which are then distributed to the vulnerable in society, including the poor elderly, the handicapped, the sick, and the homeless. I also hosted a food packaging event in West Island School, in which 100 volunteers were gathered together to pack a total of 2,000 fortune bags. Further to this, I've organized fundraising events during school fairs and 2 food drives where a total of 1,000 items of food were collected. Moreover, during the pandemic, I recognized a new issue that was placed on the health of the homeless community. As a result, I took the initiative to host a rat test drive where students and teachers collected extra rat tests from home or school, where we collected over 1,500 rat test kits. Apart from in-school events, I've also led and organized a charity hike with Bradbury School for the primary students and parents, of which 22,000 Hong Kong dollars were raised. Through my experience from being a Sunshine Ambassador, I've gained a sense of reality about the extent of how much struggle the unprivileged society has to go through. The homeless not only face physical adversity, but most importantly, also struggle mentally due to the lack of hope they may have for their future. This reinforces my passion to be an active Sunshine Ambassador for the long term, so that I can inspire others in my generation to help make a positive difference together. Also, through empathizing with the struggling community, it has strengthened my aspirations to work in the healthcare field so that I can take responsibility for the health of my struggling patients. The greetings I receive from volunteers and the homeless community when attending weekly Sunshine Action events show how deeply I have connected to this organization and the struggling community that it benefits. From helping out new volunteers who may be unfamiliar with the activities or assisting other student ambassadors when organizing events, I find that through all of the positive impact I have fostered, the biggest reward is the smile on the faces of the people I have helped.